Hello. Hello guys. Today we are going to solve the question of our previous midterm paper, Project Management Section C case study of 10 marks. So, the question is simple. We have to calculate only these methods. But here the one trick is in the question that is given depreciation. So, we have to adjust that amount, then we have to solve by these methods. So, let's firstly read the question. The company's ABC is willing to invest 10 lakhs, means our initial cash flow for the project is 10 lakh. The expected earning after tax and depreciation, means this inflow which have given in the question is the amount after tax and depreciation. So we have to adjust the depreciation. The depreciation is charged by a straight line method 10%, and here the amount of fixed asset is given 5 lakh, means the all investment is 10 lakh but the fixed asset amount is only 5 lakh, means we have to charge this 10% depreciation only on these fixed asset. So firstly let's calculate depreciation and adjust that amount in this cash flow, then we will calculate these methods. So firstly I have written the given things. Then I have calculated the depreciation on the fixed amount asset 5 lakh, that is coming 50,000. We will add this 50,000 all in the project A and all in the project B. We will then get these cash inflows and these cash inflows for the project B. Now I am solving first the payback period method. I am not following the same sequence as given in the question. I have solved according to my just जैसा लगा जो easy. Now project A. So in the payback period method, there is also a formula of this initial cash flow divided by the annual cash flow. But this formula is used only when the inflow amount is equal in all year. But here in the question, the inflow amounts are not equal in each year. So we will not follow this formula. We have to follow this calculation for calculating the payback period. So in this, if the inflow is not equal, firstly we have to calculate the cumulative cash inflow. It's same CF like statistics. First same, then we will add this in for like 30,000, then the remaining amount to this, then remaining amount to this, and we will calculate like this cash flow. Just ignore the background sound. And as like this, we will calculate the CF for the second year. So we are calculating payback period firstly for the project A. Payback means we are receiving our amount in how much time back our initial investment. So our initial investment was 10 lakh. So 10 lakh we are receiving almost amount in 2 years, and some of the amount we will receive in the third year. But that amount is greater than 10 lakh, so we will take the second year amount. We will put this in our formula. Our year means 2 years we are receiving all of amount plus the remaining amount. The upper column will calculate the remaining amount, means the total in our investment was 10 lakh, and in 2 years we have received 7 lakh 30,000. If we will minus this, we will get the remaining amount which we have to cover for the investment, and this amount is our next year's amount, means in third year what we are receiving, means the remaining amount will be divided by the next year's amount. So we'll subtract this, then divide by the 4,70,000, we will get 0.57. I have rounded it off, means it's 2.6 years. Means it's 2.6 years, we are getting our investment back in 2.6 years. We will follow the same step for calculating the payback period for project B. So in this, if we see in CF, we are covering almost all of the amount in third year. Fourth year it's going greater than that, so we'll take these three. And the remaining amount means remaining amount after 10 lakh we have received in third year 8 lakh 30,000, and the remaining amount will be 2 lakh 70,000. Means our total inflow divided by what we have covered in 3 years divided by what we are getting in next year. Next year we are getting 4 lakh 55,000. So divided by this we will get 0.37. I have rounded. Means in the project B we are covering back our investment in 3.4 years. Means less the time, more the project is suitable. Means our project A is better than the project B according to this payback period method. So let's move to the second. So coming to our next method, discounted payback period method. So all the steps are same. Here we will consider the time value. The discounted means what will be the present value of the future inflows. So these values will be given in the questions like this. And if these values PVIF at the rate of 10% for 5 years, this value is not given, so we have to follow the formula this for calculating the PVIF. Let's jump to the solution. So we are calculating discounted payback period. Here the our cash inflows, and we have to calculate the present value of these inflows. So we have to multiply it by these factors at the rate of 10% according to the PVIF table. We will multiply our inflows with these values, so we will get the present value of that inflows, and we will calculate our CF on these values and follow the same step to calculate this as we have solved our first questions. Means we will see this in the consideration, like our 10 lakh is covering almost in 3 years. Means 3, calculating the remaining amount means 10 lakh and what we have covered in these 3 years, and the inflow of the next year fourth year, divide by this we will get 0.05. So we are getting our investment backing 3.05 years. Same we will follow for our project B. Same that values will be multiplied, then we will calculate CF, then we will calculate our payback period. So what if this value will not be given in the question? We will follow our this formula. So let's calculate this. Let me look. So all the table values we see in the table, that is derived from getting the amount as 1 rupees. So I am also taking the amount as 1 divided by 1 plus I. 1 will be the same 1 plus I. I means our rate divided by 100. So in the question the rate was given was 10%, means 10 divided by 100. We will get 0.1. 10 divided by 100, 0.1. So our I means I is 0.1, means 1 plus I means 1 plus 0.1. Power n means for how many years. If we are calculating for first year means n1. If you are calculating for second year means n2. So let's calculate for the first year this value for the first year. How we will get this? So according to our formula, this we have derived 1 divided by 1 plus 1 0.1. So 1 plus 0.1, 0.1 plus 1 we will get 1.1, means upper one A divided by, we have added this 1.1. We are calculating for first year means power 1. Let's calculate this in calculator. 1 divided by 1.1 equal to, this is our value for the first year. Here 9.1 they have rounded off. If I hit this equal to button in the calculator, we will get the value of the second year. Again hit the equal to, we will get the value for the third year. Again fourth year, again equal to fifth year. So simply we have to only calculate for the 1 year, and we will equal to press, then we will get for the next years. So our two methods are clear: discounted payback and payback. Payback is normally doesn't give the value to the time value, and in discounted we only have to calculate the present values of our inflow. We will calculate this, then multiply with the inflow, we will get the present, and then after we have to calculate payback. Now the other questions are very easy because we have calculated all in these tables. Our next is net present value, NPV. We are calculating for our project A. Net present value means total present inflow. After calculating the discount means we have calculated this, the present value. The total of this 16,75,800 means this our total present value, divided by present value of initial investment. So initial investment value will not change, means the present value will be the same, means our 10 lakh. So our present value total minus the initial flow, this is our net present value. For the next project B we will do the same, the total of our present value minus our initial investment. Here the amount greater means the project is better. So according to net present value, the project A is better. Then calculating the profitability index. Profitability index is also very easy. The present value of cash inflow, that is this present value means this total of the present value divided by initial investment, that was our 10 lakh. The value divided by 10 lakh, we will get 1.67. And always if there is only one project and we have to decide, so the greater than one value means we will accept the project. And if we here we have two projects, we will compare this, the greater value means better the project, so our project A is better than the project B. Our last, average rate of return. For the average rate of return, the formula is average earning divided by average investment. So in the investment we have only initial investment is given, so we will take this, that as our initial investment, and we have to calculate the average earning. So here I have written the value that was given in the question, these values, because it's our earning means after depreciation and after tax. After tax it is our values, so we will take that value for calculating the average earning. So I have taken that values before the adjustment values. And for calculating the average earning, let's take the average earning of A, means our total earning, this our total earning 20 lakh 20,000 minus initial inflow was 10 lakh, divided by the periods, in how much period this amount has covered the total earning, 5 years. So this we have calculated is our average earning for project A. The formula for ARR is average earning divided by average investment. Our initial was 10 lakh, means this average divided by 10 lakh our investment multiply by 100, means ARR for project A is 24.4%. Same we will calculate average earning, means this minus our initial divided by the time period, we will get the average, and we will divide this average by our initial investment 10 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 11.4%. The greater percent means more the better project. So according to the all method, we can conclude that the project A is better than project B. So here I will end up the class.